A lot of people been coming up to me asking me when the construction started for the Eiffel Tower, and it did start around January 28, 1887. So that's the Eiffel Tower was built for the World's Fair, and its completion was around 1889, and it and a lot of people have been wondering, why was it constructed? Because they were trying to show the world that we were capable of people in a world's population was able to melt steel, and that's why it was to celebrate steel. As you can see here, these people were walking around. They were very excited here. These people walking around here are very excited that the steel was being made. As you can see here, Universal was participating, and it was a beautiful thing because electricity was just invented, obviously. William Armstrong is the man who harnessed electricity. This is William Armstrong looking like he's about to harness some electricity. Benjamin Franklin did fly a kite and discover electricity back in the 1700s. But the tower was completed. 30,000 people came around. There was visitors everywhere. It was a beautiful sight to see. And Universal in the 1889, it was a marvel. Standsman statement of all the countries were there. And I wasn't there. I don't know. But images like this, there was a blimp. So they had the flight. Or obviously they had balloons. And this was an image that I found. The World's Fair must have been just a marvel of an excitement adventures. And last but not least, a lot of people that ask me about the tower, they come to me and they say, "What's on top of the tower? What's its purpose?" Its purpose was just for the fair, just to show what we can do with steel. And what's on top of the tower is on top of the tower is a wine bar. So if you guys like wine and you guys are by the tower, there's a champagne bar, so be prepared for that. And then this is a little off topic, but oblate spheroid shape of the Earth. It's very simple. The shape of the Earth is oblate spheroid. They're telling us. And here I did the math. If you have the A and the C and the D and the R times the X minus that, and then you flip that times that by the perimeter, and that basically shows us the Earth. And NASA, this is what they're trying to hide from us. Under the Earth is something spectacular. The Earth might have a giant butt. We don't know. We just don't know, guys. My Uncle Bernie did send me this. Is a detailed image of the Earth that he predicted in a dream.